Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you, always keep smile. In this video friends, as beautiful and unique stylish ideas. Seashell's crafts idea showing this my channel, so hope you like it. I can share with you as more stunning and different collections. So my dear friends, these styles ideas are very pretty. I can share with you as most gorgeous or beautiful style ideas. I can share with you. Hope you will like it and different collections. So my dear friends, it's a beautiful and more stylish stunning ideas. Keep watching it stunning to end. Seashell's craft for decorations crafts ideas showing this my channel, so hope you will like it. So beautiful and unique. It's different and unique stylish ideas. Beautiful and unique style and different collection. So beautiful styles. So beautiful and unique stylish ideas. And different and unique stylish ideas. So friends, hope you will like it. And different and unique stylish. It's different and unique stylish ideas. Very amazing and different style crafts ideas showing this my channel. Hope you will like it. So these collection ideas are very interested and pretty. What these ideas are very interested. And my dear friends, I can share with you its beautiful style and different ideas. Keep watching it till starting to end. And beautiful and unique stylish ideas. Keep watching it at stylish and different collections. In this my channel, so hope you will like ideas of different crafts collections. And my dear friends, let's see you all in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.